Hi you guys, it's Jamie from the back store. I just wanted to make a video today for all of my customers and clients that have been requesting some guidance on how to use the sleep function on their stressless chairs. I know sometimes when you first get the chair and you're kind of navigating all of the different things that you do with it, this function can be a little difficult for those that haven't had the opportunity to have that learning curve with it. And I promise you, once you get used to it, it is so much easier than it seems at the beginning. It just takes a little bit of a learning curve. So I'm here to help you with that today. One thing, the very first thing I would say is very helpful when you're sitting in the chair wanting to go into that full recline with the sleep function, firmly put your feet on the top of the ottoman so you have some leverage. So as you're in it, you're going to recline back into this position where it's not going to really go any further. You don't want to force it to go further back, just be in this position. The next thing, the shape of your arms and where you're grabbing is very important. You want to grab with the bend in your elbow here with your arm straight up because you're going to be using mainly your tricep muscle here. And where you're grabbing is about right here so that you have some extra leverage on the back of the chair where you're pulling up at. What a lot of people we see do is kind of like a crunch or a sit-up. That is not what you're gonna wanna do. It will not work. It's gonna prevent the chair from having its mechanism disengage. So instead, sometimes you'll hear that like kind of crack sound. Don't be alarmed. It's just the mechanism inside. If it's been kind of pulled forward at all, sometimes when it's re-engaging, it'll catch a little bit. It's not to be of any concern. So as you're coming back, you want to come to this full recline, and then what your focus on is going to be your chin folding down into your chest, and you're only pulling from your tricep muscle. So instead of a full-on crunch, you want to pull forward with that tricep and then release. So we're not doing any workouts, we're not crunching, we're not doing that. We're gonna come all the way forward again so that that mechanism can re-engage. And then you're gonna go back to as far as it'll allow you. Tuck and go back. If you have a little bit extra strength here, it's gonna be easier. If there's a little less strength, it might be a little bit harder. If you find that it's a little bit harder, you're gonna go into that same position. If you can, just try to reach even further back on this as far as it's gonna go, because that's gonna give you more strength. And you're just gonna kind of curl and then go back. I hope this is helpful. If you're still a little confused and you're still having a hard time with it, feel free to leave a comment down below and I can reach out to you. I can try to help you personally, or I can just give you a call. Just let me know in the comments below, or if this was helpful, feel free to put a thumbs up on that video. If there's any other products that you know that we sell that you just have some questions about, feel free to also leave that in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer any questions and make some short videos for that as well. And stay tuned, I will be making some more videos on more products that we do have and how to use them. Hope you guys have an ultimate day, and I'll see you back on here later.